Okay, so we want to roll this out because there's a string the tassel has to hang off of. Okay, so we'll try the little snake thingy. Comes out from the bottom here. That's too thick. Let's make it thinner.
Theoretically, you could squeeze out another one with your...
I could.
Yeah.
You could squeeze one out, yeah. But I'm going to take a couple of these and wrap them around. So I just took a short amount, and I'm going to wrap it around this way.
Oh.
To look like the top. Okay, cut. Looks like the top knot.
Tassel knot.
Tassel knot.
Wasn't he a singer?
I have no idea.
Was he a tassel knot?
And just attach that there. A little tassel coming out. I just shoved it in there. I didn't even attach it to the bottom. I just put it underneath. No one's gonna...
Using the gently shove technique.
In case you need that.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Since Michael insists I put a border on it.
I don't insist. I don't suggest. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. You got a little... It's only because the fondant didn't come all the way down to the...
Oh, did I miss it on the board?
Base. Just on the side. Yep.
All right. I will put a border on that. That's fine. Let me go grab some red.
So we'll get a close-up of the piece, the part in question.
Sure, gotta do that. So we'll just make since Michael loves the rope border.
I do. I love the rope border.
We will do the rope border, a little one. I know how much he likes that.
I do. I just think
it's like magic.
It is like magic. It's like there's no way to make that perfect except you just do this and it is perfect.
Yeah.
It's cool.
So what it is it's this three. The three little lumpy guy here.
Get a close up of this because this is my favorite one. Yep, there you go.
And there's two different sizes of this, or three, but see this is a smaller one, so we're gonna do a little one.
Yep.
And there might even be a bigger one of those. Let me see. I don't know. This thing comes with like a bazillion discs. No, it's just the two. Okay.
When you purchase the what is that called again?
The clay gun. This is a Macon's clay gun, is what it is.
Macon's clay gun.
Right.
Get the one that comes with a bazillion.
They all do.
It comes with a bazillion discs.
A bazillion discs.
Good. That's a lot of discs.
Yeah.
It's more than you'll use every day.
That's right.
Plus, you have some exercise. Look at that wrist exercise right there.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
It's good for racquetball.
Yep. And yes, I have started playing racquetball.
Yay! That's a good sign.
Yep. 3
I
weeks
bet
ago.
you missed it.
3 weeks ago, I did.
Yeah. I bet.
I did.
That was your dealio.
That was my thing.
Yep.
I did miss it, and I got hit for the first time finally last night. They always nail me with the ball.
Yeah.
I can be standing against the wall and they'll nail me with the ball.
Yeah. Well, that would be my goal.
And I'm like, yeah. I'm like, I'm not even where you can get to the front wall. Why are you hitting it this way?
Oh, we have a quick question.
Yes.
How do you keep them from sticking?
How do I keep what from sticking?
Probably little tassel things.
Oh, the tassels. My fondant is slightly dry. If you want, you can actually rub a little cornstarch from the on the bottom of the disc, so when the first tassels come out, won't stick to each other.
Uh-huh.
But if it's sticking together as it's coming out, your fondant's too wet.
Okay.
It's too humid where you are, or it's too wet or something, because it shouldn't stick as it comes out.
Okay.
They shouldn't stick to each other.
Let's get a close-up of this string coming out.
Okay, I'm going to move this out of the way because
it's not just, I mean,
it looks weird.
Yeah, but at a long distance here because I'm old and I have old eyes,
you can't see
it just looks like a big rope. But we're going to get a real close-up. You
see
can
the
see.
three?
Yeah, it's more like it's a three-pronged rope. But check this out. Here's the magic.
Okay,
Watch
so
this.
one hand goes up and one hand goes down. Okay, that's what you do, and that's how you roll it. That's how we roll, and then you have an instant.
How cool is that?
Rope.
First time I saw that, I went, "Oh, that's amazing!"
Isn't that amazing?
It's magic. There you go. Now it's a perfect rope.
Okay. Not that they haven't seen us do this a bazillion times.
Yeah, I know. All right.
Okay, so
I can never get too much of that rope.
I know.
I'm saying.
I'm going to go ahead and remove this. And place it on here. And I know it didn't go all the way around, but I got another little piece here that's going to go around this side.
And that's only because the fondant didn't go all the way down to the board.
Yeah, I know.
And because I'm so picky, you know.
I know. Okay, so we'll just put this back on because I didn't glue it on. Now at home, you know, you can go ahead and use some buttercream or some water to attach this, or the sugar glue to attach it, but since I don't care about that, I'm not doing okay. Are we happy now?
I'm very
Is that
happy.
better? Okay.